Hey.
Ziggler makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh,
truly in pain. But to see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool. And I just thought it was important.
Stop. Stop.
Oh shit.
Love your puppy. Yeah. She's trying to fight.
All right, let me.